With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So guys, here in this question it is given that a simple pendulum of a length capital L and mass capital M is oscillating about a vertical line with a angular amplitude of theta. If for an angular displacement pi of pi is greater than theta, the tension in the string T1, and for angular amplitude theta, the tension T2, then okay. So here the given data is according to the given figure which follows the question. Okay, so here we have a mass of M and the tension direction is also mentioned. So these are the mg sin theta and the direction of the mg, and the angle made between mg cos theta and mg is the theta. And given data is length of the pendulum is represented with the capital L, and mass of the bob is also given as a capital M. So according to that, angular amplitude is given as pi, which is less than the theta value. So initial tension is represented with the theta. Since from the figure we can see that net force towards the center, is equals to centrifugal force okay. The net force towards the center is equals to the centrifugal force. So according to this we can write the T minus mg cos theta equals to mv square divided by L. So T will be equals to mv square divided by L plus mg cos theta. Just a second guys. Mg cos theta. Okay, so we can write that T is directly proportional to the angular displacement. Okay, T is directly proportional to the angular displacement. So if we increase the pi value to theta value, the T2 will be more than the T1. Okay, T2 will be more than the T1 value. So as theta value is greater than the pi value, in such case the option will be, out of this 4, the correct option will be option B is the correct answer for this question. T1 is less than the T2 value according to the solved solution here. So this is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.